We're back at this renovation in Lantana, just waiting on the inspector for our rough plumbing inspection, and we should be good to go.
County's not that nice, huh?
No.
Yeah.
They're a lot busier though, I guess, right?
No, they got plenty of guys.
That's true.
Okay, no leaks back here. No stained water on the floor. Nothing back here. No leaks there. That's all good. All right. Cool.
Want to see this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
It's just that little run right here.
That's it?
That's it.
Yep.
Looks like it's gonna drain to me.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
All right, we'll see you later.
Have a good day. And we're good to go.